Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best mini PC in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you're looking for a mini PC that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these mini PC, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. At number 1 we have the ASUS PN60BB3006MC Mini PC. Powered by Intel Core processors, the Barebones ASUS PN60 delivers integrated 4K UHD graphics across dual monitors, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and gigabit LAN. Easily expandable storage options, 24/7 reliability testing, along with comprehensive management and security features ensure the PB60 will provide a low-maintenance solution for every office space. A convenient sliding chassis design lets you add or upgrade an M.2 SSD, 2.5-inch HDD or SSD, or memory in 2 easy steps using just a screwdriver. A bare bones option is also available, giving you maximum flexibility to customize your system. ASUS Mini PC PN60 comes equipped with integrated Intel UHD graphics, so you can enjoy watching video and viewing images in stunning 4K UHD resolution. Support for dual displays lets you extend your workspace across multiple monitors for more efficient and comfortable productivity experiences. With a modern design featuring sleek lines and a stylish, brushed finish, ASUS Mini PC PN60 easily blends into home, office and retail environments. Compact and lightweight at 115mm by 115mm by 49mm with a 0.62-liter volume, it can be placed almost anywhere and even attached to the back of a display with a VESA mount for a space-saving, all-in-one solution. ASUS Mini PC PN60 is powered by the latest Intel Core processors, which provide up to 34% better performance in daily multitask computing compared to previous generation processors, ensuring smooth and responsive experiences in a wide variety of usage scenarios. At number 2 we have the Byte3 Mini PC. The Byte3 Fanless Mini Desktop PC by ASUS is designed as a more practical alternative to clunky tower computers. Powered by a 64-bit quad-core Intel Apollo Lake processor, this multi-purpose computer holds a lot of power and speed within its small form. Maximize your productivity. Pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro, the Byte3 lets you stream apps like Netflix and Hulu in 4K quality at 60 FPS. Surf the web, browse YouTube and use Microsoft Office 365 to check emails. Elevate your business. Create a duo monitor display setup with your Byte3 for maximized productivity at the office. Connect to conference room TVs to display visual PowerPoints or connect to meetings on Skype with clients abroad. Compatibility and connectivity. Use the HD port or VGA port to connect to a TV or monitor. Also includes audio output jack Ethernet port 1 gigabit, USB Type-C port, and USB ports. Wi-Fi, dual-band 2.4 GHz, 5.0 GHz and Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity, all action, no noise, integrated with passive cooling technology. The Byte3 Mini PC rids of loud and easily damageable computer fans to provide silent running and longer product life. Play, work and stream undisturbed. Expand your capabilities. The Byte3 provides 32 GB of built-in storage, plus a memory card slot that accommodates an extra 256 GB of storage for customizability and unrestricted productivity. At number 3 we have the HP Pavilion Wave Compact Desktop Computer. The desktop reinvented PC power and design unlike anything you've seen before. You've never seen a desktop like this before. Because there's never been a desktop like this before. Get full desktop power, fully integrated audio, and sleek modern style with the HP Pavilion Wave. Windows delivers comprehensive security with more built-in security features, safe authentication and ongoing updates to help protect against current and future threats. All delivered at no extra cost. Windows is the best for bringing ideas forward and getting things done. Double down on your productivity with great ways to get organized, capture ideas, and make things happen. Windows lets you be you. Cortana is your truly personal digital assistant who becomes more useful every day in helping you get things done, beautifully designed. Powerfully built, Windows devices lead the way with the fastest processors, longest-lasting batteries, and highest-res displays. At number 4 we have the Asus PB60 Mini PC with Intel Core i5-8400T. Asus Mini PC PB60 is an ultra-compact, versatile and powerful PC suited to a range of business applications, including office computing, conference rooms, retail store kiosks and digital signage. Powered by the latest Intel Core T-Series or Pentium Gold processors and measuring just 175 by 175 by 34.2 mm with a 1-liter volume, Mini PC PB60 delivers desktop-grade performance, while occupying minimal space. Its durable metal chassis and extensive testing exceeding industry standards ensures reliable, 24/7 operation, even in harsh environments. VESA mount compatibility, comprehensive connectivity with 8 USB ports and support for up to 3 4K UHD displays provide flexibility for many usage scenarios, making Mini PC PB60 the perfect companion for your business. With optional stackable modules designed to fit perfectly, you can add just the functionality you need to Mini PC PB60 without sacrificing its compact size. A DVD optical drive module is currently available, and additional modules are coming soon. Mini PC PB60 expansion modules can be installed in just 3 easy steps. Asus Mini PC PB60 comes equipped with integrated Intel UHD graphics to display videos and images in stunning 4K UHD resolution. With a DisplayPort and HDMI at 60 Hz and a configurable port *, PB60 lets you extend your workspace across up to 3 displays for more efficient and comfortable productivity. At number 5 we have the Asus CHROMEBOX 3 N019U Mini PC. Asus CHROMEBOX 3 features the latest 8th generation Intel Core processors and DDR4-2400 memory for faster, smoother performance. With full support for Android apps from Google Play, Asus CHROMEBOX 3 gives you the ability to run your favorite mobile apps with the power of a mini PC. It also comes equipped with a versatile USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port for data transfer, power delivery and DisplayPort functionality, and supports dual 4K UHD displays for sharp visuals and powerful productivity. Google Play Store apps, with thousands of Android apps from the Google Play and Chrome Web Store, built-in virus protection, and access to your files from anywhere. CHROMEBOX on the CHROMEBOX 3 lets you start playing, working, or watching from one device and finish on another for a truly seamless experience. Built-in security features. Asus CHROMEBOX 3 is designed from the ground up with security in mind, so you'll be safe from viruses and malware. There's no need to buy and install additional security software, and certainly no time wasted trying to get in touch with tech support. Dual display productivity in 4K UHD. Asus CHROMEBOX 3 supports dual displays via HDMI and USB Type-C without the need for an additional graphics card, making multitasking a whole lot easier. Browse the web, view photos from your SD card on Google Photos or watch videos in 4K UHD. Asus CHROMEBOX 3 also features touchscreen support for more intuitive control and engaging gameplay.